All of you note it down the 12 Roman 2. Okay. See the 13 number. Find the three numbers in AP such that the sum is 21 and sum of their squares is 155. Listen, 12 number 1, 2, 13. These are same type of questions, but we have to find the numbers. That is the three numbers, the four numbers, the five numbers, the six numbers, like that. That will be little bit difficult part. See, find the three numbers. How many numbers? Three numbers. Yesterday, the same questions of three numbers we made it. So now take the three numbers. What are the three numbers? Let the three numbers of an AB will be how much? How much? A minus D, A plus D. This is the series of three numbers. This is odd number now. This is odd number. That's why we will take the series A minus D, A plus D. Listen, if there are 2, 4, 6, 8, these are even series. If the even series is given, then we will start from minus 1. If 6, we will start A minus 5D. If 4, we will start A minus 3D. Like, but this is what? Odd number. Odd number means simply we will minus 2. If there is 5, we will take A minus 3D. If there is a series of 3, we will take A minus D. That means 3 minus 2. Listen, A minus 1D, A plus 1D, like this. Okay? Let the three numbers of A will be A minus D, A plus D. And the question is, the sum is 21. What? The sum is 21. Whose sum? A minus D, A plus D. This three numbers sum is what? 21. So, A minus D, A plus D is equal to how much? 21. Now solve this. Minus D plus D will be cancelled. Remaining A plus what? 3A is equal to 21. A is equal to 21 by 3, that is 7. We got the value of 7. Now we will find the value of D. Because to form an AP, we need two values. What are they? A and D. So next again given what? Sum of their squares. This is sum of numbers. Now what? Sum of their squares. Their squares means this square plus this square plus this square. How much? 155. So do it. First A minus B whole square. Then A square, then what? A plus D whole square is equal to 155. Because sum of their squares, this is one number, this square, this is second number, this square, and this is third number, this square. Now we solve this. In our 8th class, we read a formula that is A plus B whole square plus A minus whole square. What? A plus B whole square, A minus whole square. That means the formula is a square plus b square. Listen, this is a minus b whole square. This is a plus b whole square. Bring it near. Okay. Listen, a plus 1 whole square plus a minus whole square. The formula is this is 2a square plus b square. If there is b, a square plus b square. Now a square is equal to 155. See, 2 into a already we got a is equal to 7. So 7 whole square plus b square. 7 whole square is equal to 155. Let's solve this and find the value of b. All of you find the value of b. Listen. 2 7 square what? 49 plus b square plus 7 square 49 is equal to 155. See, 2 into 49 plus d square is equal to 2 into 49 plus d square plus 49. If it move towards RHS, it will be negative 155 minus 49. How much? This is 59. 6 remaining 4. 4 minus 4 0. Remaining 1. Okay. Now see, 49 plus b square is equal to this 2 will be multiplied with this side. Understand? This 2 is multiplication. The whole part multiplied by 2. So take this 2 this side. If this is multiplied, if it will move towards this, it will be divided. So 106 by 2. That means 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6. So listen, 49 plus b square is equal to 53. b square is equal to 53 minus 49. How much? Simply what? 4. Okay. Then b is equal to how much? Square root of 4. That is plus or minus 2. There are two values. One is plus 2 and another is minus 2. Same. All the three questions are in the same process. But what is the difference means? The series. How many numbers? Okay. Now take a is equal to 7, b is equal to plus 2. If a is equal to 7, b is equal to 2, then a minus b how much? 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. A is equal to 7, a plus b is equal to 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Because there are two values of d, what are they? 2 and minus 2, but already this is a value. Okay, this is the a value and this is the d value. We will form a series. If a is equal to 7, d is equal to minus 2, because d is equal to 2 and d is equal to minus 2. Take this is. If a is equal to 7, d is equal to minus 2, what are they? A minus b is equal to what? A is equal to 7, minus b is equal to minus 2, that means 7 minus minus plus 2, that is 9. 7 plus or minus 2, that is 5. Understand my point? This is 5, 7, 9. Then what? 9, 7, 5. Reversely, if we take the positive value, that is in ascending order. If we will take the negative value, that is descending order. 5, 7, 9 and 9, 7, 5. Therefore, the three numbers of an AP series will be what? 5, 7, 9 or 9, 7, 5. Okay? So these are such type of questions maximum in board exam. So many chances to give. So the three numbers of an AP will be A minus T, A plus T. Listen, simple one, there is a trick. These are the three numbers. If this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. This will be the middle number, because if we close this will be the middle number. This is first term, this is last term. If you will take 4 number, see 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be the first term, this will be the last term. But these are two middle. So if the series is odd, then we will get one middle number. If the series is even, we will get two middle numbers. Previous sum, there are 6 numbers. We will find how many middle numbers? 2. One is A minus T, A plus T. In this case, what? 3 numbers, A minus T, A plus T. So almost 11, 12, 13, nearly 1, 2, 3, 4 sums we have completed. So tomorrow onwards we will do some remaining sums. Thank you once again. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you. Have a nice day.